Here we are, day 7, February, daily math. Number 1, time for dinner. What time is on this clock? Well, I'm going to look at the hour hand, and I'm between 6 and 7, so it has to be 6 something. And now I'm going to count my minutes. 5, 10, 15. And since it's dinner, it would be p.m. Number 2. Oh, dinner time is in the p.m. I guess that's right there, right? Number 3, it says color of Valentines. How many Valentines are not purple? So each is a tally. Each tally is worth 1. So red, there's 5, 10, 11. And pink, there are 5 and 4 is 9. So let's go 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and one more makes 20. So how many are not purple? There are 20. Write less than, greater than, or equal to 1 quarter and 1 dime. Well, 1 quarter is 25 cents. A dime is 10, so 25, 35. 8 nickels is counting by 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. In this one, 35 is less than 40. So we're going to use the tally chart now to make a bar graph. So first, we're going to just trace over the word purple. And then we can write the word red here. Okay. And the next one is we're going to write the word pink down here. So for purple, there were 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for purple, we'd want to bring it all the way up to this line. For red, 5, 10, 11, we're going to go all the way to the end. And there's 11. And pink, there are 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right. There you go, boys and girls. Again, nothing super fancy with the shading. As long as you're coming up to here, coming up to here, and coming up to here. Okay, if we missed something, let me know, and I can try to help you out. Or maybe the video helped you, I'm hoping, right? So we'll talk to you tomorrow for day number 8.